Hello class. On this week discussion on the information system architecture point of sale, we are given to analyze the structure. And first of all, I'm going to look at the architecture itself, which defines the layout of the information system components. That's when you talk about the hardware and the telecommunication, of which each of these must support the software to allow the procedures of implementation by the human users. And you have the three types. You have the local structure, you have the centralized structure, and you have the decentralized. In this system, the framework is distinguished as decentralized because of it's feasible that in the two areas you can see they are separate and apply the internet to get information, unlike in the centralized framework that will have the client information situated in one location, of which it will be accessed through a local area network. However, there are still some shortcomings because we're going to see and give some recommendation on the same. When you talk about the speed of the internet that they're using, it's relatively slow. We also looking at the cost, and we also look at the security of the data and the information. Okay, my recommendation is that the first one is we look at the overall improvement. Propose to have a server and a backup server move from area A to B consistently for backing up of information. And then another one, as you all know that the DSL and the cable modems can be accommodated by the internet service providers, and this will allow broadband internet at a nominal fee, as well as much as it will be fast, it will also be economical because you'll still be paying the same cost for use by many people, by many users, sorry. We also need to add a wireless network, that's the Wi-Fi, so that it can improve in the efficiency and flexibility of the internet use. Okay, another thing we are going to I recommend is that we can add an additional router on the other side of the network, because you find that there is only one server, so that it can, in case of any failure in one router, the other router will be working. Thank you. Have a good week.